Minswap is a leading decentralized exchange on the Cardano blockchain, offering a user-friendly platform for swapping tokens, providing liquidity, and yield farming. To swap tokens, connect your Cardano wallet, such as Yoroi or Nami, select the tokens to exchange, and confirm the transaction. Fees are low, around 0.1-0.3 ADA per transaction. Liquidity providers add assets to pools and earn fees, typically 0.3% per swap, along with farming rewards. Minswap operates as an automated market maker using Cardano's EUTXO model. Yield farming involves staking LP tokens in farming pools to earn rewards in Min tokens or ADA. Min farming incentives boost liquidity with ADA rewards, making Minswap a key component of Cardano DeFi. Minswap has evolved with advanced DeFi tools following Cardano's Chain hard fork, integrating Hydra for reduced transaction fees and improved throughput. Concentrated liquidity allows users to allocate funds to specific price ranges, optimizing capital efficiency for better returns. The integrated NFT marketplace enables trading of Cardano-based NFTs using Min or ADA tokens. Min token holders participate in governance through a decentralized autonomous organization, voting on protocol upgrades and changes. Minswap is exploring cross-chain bridges for seamless swaps with Ethereum and Solana, expanding trading possibilities. Sustainable DeFi promotes energy-efficient proof-of-stake consensus, with growing interest in tokenized real-world assets on Cardano. Regulatory adaptation includes exploring compliance tools like KYC for institutional users, moving towards hybrid models. Emerging trends include AI-driven yield optimization tools, partnering with startups for predictive farming strategies. The future outlook is optimistic, with projections of 1 million users by 2026 and innovations like perpetual futures and options trading.